Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning
morning, ma'am.
to all of you. First, we
Good
will
morning,
wait
ma'am.
1 minute
Good
and then
morning,
we'll start
ma'am.
the class. Very good morning. I will wait 1 more minute and then I will start the class.
There is a 15.
Yeah, now I will start the class. Okay. That very less students are joining class on time. Until you wait after the class, okay?
Okay.
You don't leave the class, wait after the class. Okay, so students, first we will discuss about the calendar. Okay, as we have discussed, started yesterday also about little bit about the calendar. So today also we will discuss about the calendar. Calendar is having in a 1 year, how many days, students? In 1 year,
Three in a leap year, 365 or 366.
you are wrong.
Ma'am, 360. No, in leap year, there will be
366.
366 and not
Good,
in the leap year, there
good,
will be
Surana. Your chance is done, no? Now give the chance to other students to mute yourself. Yes, Laisha. In a year, you said 365 days. Hansil, how many days in a year?
365 days.
Yes. And when are the 366 days?
In the leap year?
In the yes,
Leap year.
Neerjani, in which year there are 366 days?
Ma'am, in the leap year.
Leap year. Kiana, leap year is having 366 days, one day extra. So that 1 day extra will be added in which month?
February.
February. And when there is 1 day added, then February is having how many days?
29.
29. Very good. So Prayag will explain us. Prayag, how in the leap year one extra day is added?
What, ma'am?
How in the leap year one extra day is coming? Can you
Ma'am,
explain this?
it is because it is leap year, so the it is table of four.
But
It is
how leap year happens?
after four counting. If we
After
count, if we do the table of four, four ones are four, four twos are eight, four threes are 12, four fours are 16, four fives are 20. So 20 is last year gone. So today is 21, and we count on and on like four six
I'll
are.
tell you how when the leap year comes after every 4 years.
Yes,
How?
ma'am.
You know that Earth revolves around the sun,
Yes, I know.
and the complete revolution, when it is done, it takes the 365 days for the 365 days plus 6 hours. In
Yes.
one revolution of the earth on the sun, when you learn in the science also, no, this thing,
Yes, ma'am.
that earth takes 365 days plus 6 hours to take the one revolution around the sun. So that's 6 hours plus 6 hour. When you do 4 times 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, every year there are 6.
24.
12.
Every year there are 6 hours extra. Yes, please drink. So every year there are 6 hours extra. So in the 4 years it makes 24 hours completely.
24 hours.
24 hours makes the one day. That is why after every 4 years the leap year comes. Got it? And the year, how do you know that whether this year is a leap year or not? You can check it that year is divisible by 4 or not. For example, 2021, if there is no remainder, if the 2021 is completely divisible by 4, then this year is the leap year. Otherwise this leap year is not the leap year. Got it? How leap year comes? The 6 hours extra in each year, and after the completing of 4 years it makes the 24 hours, and 24 hours makes the one day, so that after every 4 years one day is added into the month of February. Got it? Okay, so this we have done. Now we do some textbook exercises. Open page number. Today we will do about the timeline. Yesterday we have started little bit about the timeline. For example, the way number line is there, but on the number line we put the numbers, but on the timeline we put the activities which we do according to the timings. I'm going to present my screen. Open page number 43, 42 and 43. First of all, open page number 41 first. The minute hand started from 2, and how many minutes will it take to come back on 2 again? Minute hand 2 पे था, again उसको घूम के 2 पे आना है. So how many minutes it will take?
60.
60 minutes to take one round. Children, wait a minute. Let me...
Ma'am, you are stuck.
Yes, ma'am, you are stuck.
Ma'am is Ma'am, you are stuck.
No, you are not.
Yes, wait a minute.
Ma'am, Ma'am, you are stuck. Ma'am, no, your screen is blurred.
I'm visible to you all? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Not
Yes,
visible?
ma'am.
You are. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, now you are.
Okay, thank you.
No.
Please mute yourself.
You can say again number.
Yeah, I will repeat. Page number 41.
40.
Page number 41. So what happens to your hand? Does it also move? How long will it take to move from one number to the next number? Our hand shows hour in the clock. It takes 60 minutes to move from one number to the another number. You know this? Yes or no? When it is 1 o'clock, and if you want the 2 o'clock will happen, then it will happen after 60 minutes. Yes or no, students? Because I will keep on asking yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me answer actively.
Yes,
Look
ma'am.
around you and list the activities that take about 1 hour to complete. Now, it is your task, but I am giving you some examples. You write your activities which take 1 hour to complete. For example, drawing a picture, going to the market, coming back, it takes around 1 hour. Completing homework, cleaning house, preparing breakfast with the mother. These are some activities which is according to me which take 1 hour, but you can write your activities which take 1 hour according to you. Okay, complete this page number later on. Go to the next page. How long does it take to cook dinner at home? It will take less than an hour, or it will take an hour approximately.
More than hour.
Yes, it will more than hour. Ask your father if he can cook as fast as your mother does. Yes or no? Father will cook more faster than mama?
No,
Mama
ma'am.
is more experienced, so she can do more fast.
Father will he will bring from outside.
Okay. Now go to the next. Which games take less than hour? This is according to me, but you can write any games: racing, high jump, long jump, relay race. These are the games which take less than an hour. You can write your games. Okay, and then you write here also how long does the football match take. At that time also you can write according to you. Go to the next page. Page number. This is about the diary of Rani. Rani's diary. So January, February are the months given here. Rani is saying here, I will note down.
You didn't read.
Okay, I will read that page. Rani's diary. Comes, let's go to see my new babysitter. Ma, I have bought sweets for Mania, but she cannot. She is too small. Mama is saying she cannot eat because she's too small, and she doesn't even talk. She will start doing all of this slowly as she grow. So now when she born, and when she will start walking, when she will crawl, so now Rani is making the record of all this. Munia's timeline, and when she born, when she started walking, when she will talk, when she will eat, when she will. So these are the images which is given here on the next page, page number 43. It is not properly given, right? And she is going to arrange them properly in the timeline, in the diary. Wait a minute, students. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Oh.
So I will note in my diary when she first start talking, eating, walking. So first of all, 5th March 2005, Munia is born today. Then 15 September 2005, Munia got her first tooth. Then 10 November, Munia sat up. 20 November, Munia started crawling. 5 January 2006, Munia stood up. And 5th September 2006, Munia ate a banana. And 2nd February 2006, Munia started walking. So this she has made it in the diary. So this is the first page when she was born. Then is the first tooth. Then she started sitting on this. Then she started crawling, and then stood up, and then eat banana, and then walking. Right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
First, Munia started walking will come.
We will change, see the year. Yes,
Because
first,
September
yes.
and February.
Yes.
February will be born.
Yes. First she walk. So after 5 January, 2nd February page will come first, and then last is the 5th September 2006 page. Then go to the this way. When you go to the timeline, so she will write she born, she ate the banana, she got, because when you see the year months, 8 banana also will come. Let me show you the page. When she ate banana 5th September 2006 and she born on this. No, then this will be little wrong.
Ma'am, it will be last.
Yeah, it will be last.
8
First
banana will be
maybe
last.
maybe the year is written wrong in this. Okay, because वो खाना पहले खाते, they ate banana and then got the first tooth. Banana तो बिना टूथ के भी खा सकते हैं. जब उसके टूथ आए होंगे तभी बनाना खाना स्टार्ट कर दिया होगा ना उसने. Yes or no? Then she sat up, then started crawling in the month of this, and then she stood up, and then she started walking. Now go to the next. Munia got her first tooth in September. How many months old was she then? How many months old have passed from March to September? So now she born on the March and she got the first tooth in the September. So how many months have passed from March to September?
5.
March 3rd,
Ma'am, 9 months, 10 days.
5th March to 4th April. Yes, oh sorry,
15th.
5th March to 5th April will be 1 month. Children, जो चीज जिस डेट पे खत्म होती है उसी डेट से स्टार्ट होता है. Like for example, हम 1 month कैसे काउंट करते हैं? For example, if I'm talking, you let me complete. Is today is 9th July. 1 month कब complete होगा? If I am starting the 1 month from today.
9 February.
9
No, जुलाई के बाद फरवरी कैसे आएगा? I'm talking, giving the example of this month.
Ma'am, August.
9th August. So,
August.
Yes.
1 month will not complete on 1st August. 1
Yes,
month, if
ma'am.
I am starting from today, 9th July से start करूंगी तो 1 month 9th August पे ही complete
August.
होगा. Got it?
August.
Date will
Yes,
be
ma'am.
same on the next month. Then only the 1 month will be completed. And then 9th August से next month will be completed on which month? 9th August से 9th September तक.
9th August to 9th September. Then
Got
9th
it?
August.
This way we count the 1 month. If अगर हमने first से count किया है तो first to first month चलता है. Second से count कर रहे हैं तो second date से second date तक. Got it, Priya? Understood?
Yes,
Now, wait. So from March, so 5th March to 5th April 1, 5th April to 5th April के बाद which month will come? May, June, July, August, September. Got it? On 5th September, she is completing 6 months.
Ma'am, 6
months and 10
10
days.
days. 6
So
months.
you
10
will
days.
write 6 months and 10 days. How old was Munia when she first sat up? जब वो बैठी, तो from again you will start from the born till the she started
5th
sitting up.
March to
5th March till the 10th
11th.
10th November.
1 year.
How 1 year?
No, ma'am.
How 1 year? Tell me na. 5th March to 5th April, May,
Ma'am, I found
June,
it.
July, August, September, October, November. November में she started sitting. So 5th
Yes.
November तक तो it will complete 8 months.
Ma'am, 8 months, 5 days.
8. Yes, Priya.
ma'am, 8 months and 5 days.
Very good. This way you count April, March to April, April to May, May to June, June to July, July to August. 1 month count करेंगे and the remaining you will count as the days also. Now go to the next page. This also we have done. How to count the number of days for any of the activity. You start from that day and the next will be completed on the next month. Now, she got her first tooth. What did she do first? Walking, eating banana, crawling, or standing? Children, please tell me.
Ma'am, what are you saying?
What activity she has done first? Walk. I am reading.
Ma'am, crawling. Banana.
Eating. बेटा crawling कैसे करेगी अर्नव? Arnav, this was the timeline. If you see the timeline, which activity is coming first?
Ma'am, what first two?
Eat banana. Yes. Go to the next now.
Then got a tooth.
Yes. Now,
Then sat up.
now take out this page number.
Ma'am,
Rani had a pet puppy. After 2 weeks, it opened its eyes.
Ma'am, page number 44.
44. She watched it grow like this. After 3 weeks, it got its first teeth and started eating. After 4 weeks, started walking, but still wobbling, and it had a full set of teeth by the time of 7 months. Go to the next page. Here are the activities which is given by the dog when puppy grown, and the second week, and when it got the tooth, when started walking. So now give the answers which are questions given below. Now make a timeline of this dog life in your notebook. You will do this activity after the class. You will have to draw the timeline, which activity is in the ascending order, not in the descending order. जो पहले activity होगी, that will be first, and the last one is the last. Note the difference between Munia and Rani's puppy. This way you will draw the timeline in your notebook. Second week will come first, third week, then fourth week, what he has done. This way you will complete the timeline in your notebooks. Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
This way you make the timeline. Timeline is same like number line, but here no numbers. Here the activities are coming and time is coming. Then go to the next. Wait a minute. Wait. Ate food for the first time. After 6 months, he has started eating the food. Yes or no? Munia has started. Students, am I audible to you all right?
Yes, ma'am.
Munia, after 11 months of her birth, she started eating the first time. That is after. And puppy, after 1 month, and started walking. This first activity started walking. So Munia started walking after the 11 months, but puppy started walking after 1 month. Can you see the difference? कि animals कितनी जल्दी walk करना start करते हैं compared to the human beings? Yes? Compared to us, compared to human beings, animal babies they start walking early. उनकी ग्रोथ बहुत जल्दी जल्दी होती है. Only cow baby is the one who take little time to grown up. Otherwise, the babies grown up very fast. And eating also they started very fast. 1 year तक तो वो बहुत बड़े हो जाते हैं. Because their life is short. Yes? Animal life is short compared to the human beings. We have a long life. Now go to the next one. Ate food for the first time after 6 months, and here the puppy started eating food after 3 weeks and got the first tooth. So Munia got the first tooth after 6 months, and when he got the first tooth after, tell me.
After 3 weeks. After.
Tell me fast.
After 4 weeks. After 3 weeks.
After 3 weeks, he got a first tooth. Yes, after 3 weeks. Now go to the next page. Do all animals grow at the same speed? Children, do all animals grow at the same speed?
No.
No.
No, ma'am.
Bird, like bird and hen maybe grow at the same speed, but cow will grow at the different speed. Draw pictures of the baby animal and the big animal. You can draw the pictures after the class. Here are the some pictures of grandfathers posing for a photograph. Who looks at the oldest to you? So here is the Appu grandfather. Elephant Appu grandfather, 95 years old. Choo Choo rats grandfather. Now you can see their age, right? See the rats having less age. In the 2 years, he became the grandfather. Elephant is becoming at the 95 years the grandfather. And here you can see Rani's grandmother. She is 70 years old. And you can see the pictures. Someone mic is on, which disturbing me a lot.
Ma'am, it was Arnav Desai.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, my net was gone and I can think and listen. So what are you doing?
We were doing the textbook exercises, as you know. Now we are on the page number 45.
Okay, ma'am.
So I am discussing about the ages. Now you will see. Now the question is coming. How much older is Appu's grandfather than Rani's grandfather? How you will find, dear students? Tell me.
Ma'am, by subtracting.
By subtracting. Appu grandfather is 95 years old. Rani's grandfather is 70 years old. So how much more old the Appu's grandfather? How many more years more?
37, 35 years.
25.
95 minus 70 is 25, not 35.
25.
Yes. Go to the next down. Will Choo Choo grandfather ever grow as old as Appu's grandfather? इतना बड़ा हो पाएगा वो कभी?
No, ma'am.
What do you think, students? No.
No, ma'am.
Because these small type of animals, they don't have that much life. How much younger is
also
Choo
not
Choo?
have that much life.
Yeah, the animals have around 10 to 12 years of age. And this animal, like elephant alone, they have bigger life.
Tortoise more than like us. Life.
Can you, if you speak together, then better you speak together. I will mute myself. I will not give the answer together if you speak. Let me take the attendance for a minute first. Yes, Rishik, you want to tell me something?
No, ma'am.
Dheer Patel, you want to tell me something?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
I know the answer of our.
Answer is not only the main point. We are discussing and learning the concepts behind it. If you know the answers, it's excellent, but answer is not the main thing here. Yes, Arnab, this side.
Ma'am, you said the animals grow up and animal life is so small. The turtle life it is so long.
Yeah, turtle life is long. Depend on the animals, different.
Ma'am, how many years does the turtle live?
You find out and tell me.
Ma'am, I know 500 years. No, ma'am,
Oh.
400 years. 400
Oh.
years.
Ma'am, 400 years.
Okay, good. There are, but I'm talking about like cat, dog, and the small rat. They have a short life. Very.
Somebody says that cat has 9 years.
10 to 12 years, they have 8-9 years age. Now go to the next. How much younger is Choo Choo Fred's grandfather than Rani's grandfather? How you will find out?
Ma'am, 70 minus 2.
Yes. What will be the
68.
yes,
68 years.
younger, 68 years younger. Then go to the next page. Holidays are fun. Atif holidays had begun. He was very excited. He had made some wonderful plans and wanted to tell his cousin Shabana. So he wrote a letter. Now, children, what is the basic thing behind this? We are going to learn how to find out the number of days in the holidays, कैसे निकालते हैं, how to write the dates, because you learn this how to write the letter in your English class. Yes or no? You know how to write the letters in the English class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So here she is writing, Dear Shabana, Appa, hello, how are you? I am fine here, Appa. My holidays have started from today. I am going to my nanny's place on 5506 and I will come back on 2506. My school will reopen on 3606. The fifth is the which month, students?
Ma'am, 5th is the
Why only Yug is giving? Why only Yug is giving? You will not give the answer when I call your name, then you give.
okay, ma'am.
May.
Okay. Those who are shouting, they please leave the class. I have sharp ears. I can listen in a one go. So May is what? May. You can tell me. And which is the Deep Patel? Which is the 6th month?
June.
June. So my school will reopen on 30 June 2006. When does your school close? Why don't you come here? We will have great fun. Bye for now. Then they are saying that my holidays are starting from this date to this date. And can you tell me how many days he is getting the holidays? From how we will find out how many days he is getting from 5th May to the
Ma'am,
28th May.
Ma'am, by addition. By minus.
And May is having how many days? First of all, you find out this, students.
May 31 days.
January, February, March, April, May. May is having, wait a minute, let me take the attendance once more. Yes, May is having 31 days. So now from 5th May to 31st May, how many days are there in between?
ma'am, 25.
25. Let me count. 5th also will be counted in the holiday because I am going to my nanny's place on 5th.
Ma'am, then 26.
So he is from 5th. 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th.
Ma'am, 26.
So can
days.
I tell you one easy method how to find instead of counting one day till the 31st? From 31 days, when you subtract the 4 days which are not in your holidays, because your holidays are starting from 5th, means you are going at the nanny place from 5th, and the 4 days of the May which was not there covered. So when 31 minus 4 you will do, you will able to find out the number of days. Can you tell me now?
Ma'am, I cannot understand.
Ma'am, 26.
In the month of May, how many days are there?
Ma'am, 31. Ma'am,
31 days. You all agree? You all are agreed?
yes. Ma'am, 27.
Wait, let me explain to the students, those who have not understood. Mute yourself, Rishik. Total are 31 days, but 4 days which are not included in your holidays. Because you are starting to going to nanny place from 5th. Means 4 days just starting ke that are not included in your vacation. So from 31 days, when you subtract the 4 days which are not in your vacation, so how many days are there remaining?
Ma'am, it will be
27 days.
yes.
31 minus 4 is 27. So 27 days for the month of May. Then what about the month of June?
Okay.
From 1st to 20, because no, sorry, he will be coming back on 20. 20th of the same month only. Then you count the number of days from 5th of May to 20th of May. How many days are there?
15 days.
15 days.
15 days.
Which child is this giving the answers in the singing way?
Ma'am, Rishik.
Rishik, please.
I'm Rishik.
And my school reopen on 30 June. So can anyone tell me till 30 June how many days vacation he got? Till 30 June. From 5th of May.
Ma'am, 10 days.
From 5th May to 30 June is 10 days only.
No, from 5th May to 30 June, 26 days.
26 days.
27 days.
My dear,
30 days. 25.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो पहले आपको उसी मंथ के डेज काउंट करने हैं मई में, विच यू हैव ऑलरेडी काउंटेड द मई मंथ 27 days.
25
Now,
days.
now
11 days. 25 days.
children, listen again. In May month, how many days from 5th May till the 31st May? Prayag is telling. How many days we have already counted?
Ma'am, answer is 56 days.
Yes. 27 plus 30, it will be 57 days. 30 of the June month complete, क्योंकि पूरा महीना था वो तो 30 days. और May month की उसको कितनी मिली? 27.
27.
We will discuss more about this, how to find the number of days in the tomorrow's class. And wait, I will explain you one thing which is related to today's activity, that how to write the dates. This way, when it is given in the number, you have to write in the word. Means the name of the month will come in the words. For example, 5th May, then you write May. 6th is the June month. 1st is the January month. Remaining all things will be similar. Only the month will be in the words. And when it is given already in the words, you need to write it into the numbers. June is the 6th month. May is the 5th month. August is the 8th month. So there are different ways of writing the date. First in the words and another is in the numbers. Got it, students?
Yes, ma'am.
And when you find the between days, for example, how many days between 10th March to the 15th March? How many between days? So when you are counting between days, don't count the starting date and the ending date. Only between days. Got it?
Ma'am, 10 to 15.
11,
No?
yeah, 10 to 15.
Then
between
3 days.
Between days, no.
3.
11, 12, 13, 14. 14 will be counted.
Ma'am, but you said the starting and ending day will
So
be
I'm not counting the starting. No, I'm counting 11, 12, 13, 14.
So we can count the ending date.
I'm not counting the ending also. 11, 12, 13, 14.
Okay.
I say start from 10th March to 15th March. How many days are in between? Between means when you will not count the
4
starting date
days.
and the ending date. You will count the between days. Okay. We will discuss more about this in the next class tomorrow. Thank you, students.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Children, please silently leave the class.
Bye.